How to fix login errors on CoinMarketCap. If you would like to fix the login errors on CoinMarketCap, it is actually quite simple to do so. This could be happening due to many reasons. First of all, you want to make sure that it is not the issue with your internet connection and make sure that they're working just fine. Second of all, it could be the issue with the CoinMarketCap application if you've been using them for a prolonged period of time. So you want to long press the CoinMarketCap app, tap on the I button to come to its app info page, go to the storage, make sure to clear the cache files and clear the data. If you're using iPhone, however, you can try to offload or even reinstall the app from App Store. Now you can open up the CoinMarketCap application again. Last but not the least, the issue could be persisting due to incorrect credentials. So you can tap on the login button right here, and then you can go ahead and then simply make sure to enter your email and password manually, or in case you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password button to reset your CoinMarketCap password, or you can directly link with Google Apple, or you continue with your wallet. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.